Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the LemFi application 2026. So as you can see right here, I am using my web browser since I cannot really directly use the application since my current location is not eligible for that because of the mobile number that we are going to use. But still, I am going to discuss to you since their website has a feature where we can actually see what is inside the tool. Okay, so if you need to send money to family or friends in another country without paying high transfer fees, as long as it is covered with LemFi. So yeah, I am going to show you how you can use the application. And first is you just have to download the application from Play Store and App Store. Okay, and then when you visit their website as well, you also have here the download button where you can actually download the app. Okay, so you just have to sign up, verify your account, send money internationally, track your transfers, and then explore some of the app's additional features. So whether you're sending money to that specific country, okay, or many other supported countries, this beginner guide will help you understand how the LemFi works. So again, the LemFi is an international money transfer application that allows eligible users to send money across borders. Depending on your country or of residence, you can also access features such as multi-currency wallets and peer-to-peer transfer between LemFi users. So this application is primarily designed to people living in supported countries such as the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and selected European countries who want to send money to family and friends abroad. Okay, so yeah, here, this is the, you can send money internationally to more than 30 countries. So let me just tap on this one. Okay, so when creating your account, during the registration, you will be asked to enter your full name, email address, your mobile phone number, residential address, and the country of residence. So make sure that all of the information matches your official identification documents because you will complete identity verification next. And then for the verification of your identity, like many regulated finances application, the LemFi requires identity verification before you can send money. So you will typically need a government issued ID, a selfie for identity verification, and confirmation of your email address. So verification usually only takes a short time, although some accounts may require additional review. Okay, now we can start by sending money. All right, so as you can see right here, first again you have to log in and then select the send money option, and then you just have to open the LemFi app and tap the send money. And then the next step is you just have to choose the currencies. So you just have to pick the currency you want to send, and then the one of your recipient will receive. So you just have to see the real-time exchange rate instantly. Okay, and then the next step is you just have to tell them where to send the money. So you just have to select how you want to transfer the money and input the recipient's accurate information, and then they are going to take care of the rest. And for the final step is you just have to confirm the payment. All right, so just authorize the payment with your unique PIN and watch as they securely transfer your money across the globe. All right, now let's just go back here and let's discuss on how you can actually request for money. All right, so again, before continuing, the LemFi displays exchange rate the any applicable fees, the amount your recipient will receive, and then the estimated delivery time when you send money. And you always have to review the details before confirming your transfer. All right, now let's proceed on how you can actually receive money. Okay, so don't worry, because LemFi is safety. It increases protection, as there's no need to send your payment information when you request for money, and they do not charge any fees to help you collect your money, so you can keep your head above waters, and you can easily share your payment link with friends and family directly on the app. And yeah, you can track the payment. They will keep you in the loop directly on the application. Now, how you can send money? Again, there are only 4 steps to do that. For step number 1 is you just have to click on the request money button, okay, or the request money service in the application to create a request money or payment. So yeah, and the next one is you just have to fill in the recipient details. So just fill in the necessary recipient detail to request money from, and then you just have to access your contact list directly on the application. And for our step number 3, so you just have to input an amount to request from your friend, and then you just have to select the currency to allow them to pay you in their local currency. And for the last step on requesting a money, you just have to confirm your request money details. So to be sure that you have everything covered one last time. So yeah, you just have to share the payment link with your recipient once done. All right, so here, as you can see, they also have the eSIM. All right, so, and as you can see, you can pick a plan by country from their list of 190 plus global locations, and top up from just the specific amount for pricing by country, and then navigate to eSIM in the application. Okay, so yeah, you can stay connected no matter where you are. So one wallet, 2 worlds, you have 1 eSIM, and then endless use. Okay, so again, besides international transfers, the LemFi offers additional features in supported regions. For example, you may be able to hold multiple currencies in your account, send money instantly to another verified LemFi user using their registered phone number, request money from friends or family through a payment link to where the feature is available, and then refer friends and earn referral rewards where promotions are active. So feature availability varies by countries. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.